What's up, guys? I'm actually currently uploading a video that you guys might have already seen, but if you haven't, go ahead and check it out because I'm sure by now it's been uploaded. But right now, as I'm recording this, it's 0% uploaded, so I'm working on getting that video uploaded for you guys, but I'm pretty sure you guys have already seen it. If you haven't, go ahead and check it out. It's a good video. Anyways, I'm sure you guys aren't here to see me talk about the video that I'm uploading or whatever, blah blah blah, right? You guys are here to see what I'm talking about by I'm fixing the biggest issues in my eye on my car. So let's go ahead and show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. All right, guys, so I got this in the mail. Well, I didn't get it in the mail like for free. I bought it, obviously. It's a paint pen from Touch Up Direct. Now, this isn't a sponsor or anything, so I don't even know why I said their names. No free plugs here, but anyways, I just said it just in case you guys wanted it. Now, if you guys don't know what this is basically paint that matches your car paint. Like, you go onto the website and you put in your car model, year, all of that, and then, you know, the color, and supposedly in here it's supposed to be the same paint as your car, but in this case it's in a pen form that you use to basically fix any like small rock chips, scratches, certain stuff like that. Now, my car has a couple of those that I might have, you know, added, but we're not gonna say it was me. We'll just say they just magically appeared, but it was really me who added them onto the car, but I'm not gonna admit to that. Anyways, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and use this today in today's video. But not only that, so I also got this package in the mail, which obviously I already opened, and what's inside of here is, if I could get it from the right side, right, some smoked out side markers, because honestly I'm not a big fan of the orange ones, and I'm tired of seeing the orange ones, so these smoked ones should look 10 times better. So let's go ahead and install them to the car. Alright, as I just showed you guys, I moved the car into the garage. Now I'm gonna go ahead and show you the damage for the paint pen, or the scratch that I'm gonna use for the paint pen. So let me go ahead and show you. Alright, as you can see, that is the damage right there. That nasty scratch is what I'm gonna be trying to cover. So in case you're wondering how I did that, basically I had a jack, or yeah, not a jack stand, the little jack thingy. I basically hit my door with it, and that's how that happened. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this. That's supposed to match my paint and cover it up. Hopefully it works. So let's see. So basically what I'm supposed to do is shake this very well and apply it. Apply like two to three coats. Wait 5 minutes in between each coat, and that's basically all I have to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and shake it real quick. That's layer number 2. So one more layer pretty much, and it should be good. All right, so while I'm waiting for that layer to dry up, I'm gonna go ahead and try to remove the side marker. So literally all I need is 2 Phillip heads, and yeah, to remove the fender liner so I could access the light. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. All right, so basically I took it out. As you can see, all you have to do is push this little tab in from in here, from the fender, because it sticks out right here. So you just press these little tabs in and it comes right out. So now all you have to do is take off the bolt and put the new one. Now I won't be able to show you guys that because it's really hard for me to film in here because it's very small. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you the final product. So this is the before right there. As you can see, the orange. And if we go on this side, this is the after. You can't even tell, but they're right there. So it looks really nice, especially on my car, which is black. So it looks really good. And that's them with the light on. I don't know if there's a LED that looks like this that I could put in there. If there is, I'll probably end up buying it. but for now that'll be fine. Yeah, so that's basically it inside of the car. So that's basically what it looks like installed. Now it is an eBay part, so I did struggle a little bit to put it on with fitment. On the original one, as you can see right here on top is where the bigger gap is. On the eBay one, it's actually on a different, it's on the bottom. So to really make the bulb lock into place, it's kind of impossible. It doesn't really lock in there that well, to be honest with you. So I'm gonna have to be checking on that just in case it falls out. But other than that, as you can see, it fits flush with the body. I mean, this sticks out, that's how the thing is, but it pretty much is flush, maybe just down here. But yeah, for an cheap eBay part, it's not that bad. Like I said, I did struggle a little bit to put it in. So if you guys do want it, I'm gonna go ahead and link it in the description, but I am letting you know that there is a little bit trouble putting it in. It is a little bit difficult because, again, it's an eBay part, so it's not gonna fit in smooth like butter. But at the end of the day, it looks good. It gets the job done. As you can see right there, it gets the job done. And like I said, if I can find a LED replacement, like a clear color, like a white, I probably will end up doing that just to make it look better. That'll be down in the road. So yeah, that's basically it for that. I'm shooting this part to show you guys what I meant by it doesn't fit. So right here, the bulb is locked into place, but look how the actual light is. Now I have to make it fit into this square that's in here that you guys can't see. Hold on. So I have to make this whole thing go in there, but I have to move it because this light goes like this. But the way that the light is, it's not gonna go in the square like that. So I have to really maneuver it. That's basically what I meant by it doesn't fit well. So I'm gonna go ahead and try and put that in right now. All right, and right here and right here are where I did do the paint pen. As you can see, it obviously didn't completely erase it. It looks way better than what it was, because before you could literally see the bare metal. Now at least it is black. It blends in way more. Look, literally it's right here. You can't even really see it that well on camera. So basically, I knew that this wasn't gonna get rid of it, because I could, to the eye, when you're up close as I am right now, yeah, I could still see it. But I mainly wanted to do it for when you're like 5 feet away. You're not gonna be able to see it. In pictures, you're not gonna be able to see it. And honestly, this to me, this little scratch that's right here, it's literally about the size of my finger, was really, personally to me, an eyesore. So I mainly did it for myself, just to get rid of that. Like I said, it's still there, like the dent is still there, but it did pretty much what I wanted it to do, which is good. So if you guys want to go ahead and get yourself this pen, I'm gonna go ahead and leave that down below as well. So hopefully, if you need it, to fix like rock chips and stuff like that, this is like pretty much good for that. Obviously, it's not gonna cover up or smooth out the rock chips, but it is gonna cover it with the paint. So if that's what you're looking for, go ahead and do it. Also, while I was in the middle of installing this, UPS came, gave me a nice little surprise. Nice little sneak peek, but you're gonna have to wait for that. Also, something that I did not mention in the beginning, because I didn't realize I needed this until literally 5 minutes ago. You may or may not need a Dremel, because the little clip that's supposed to clip to keep the light from falling out may or may not be shaved enough for it to actually clip on. So you may need to shave it off, so you might need a Dremel. Alright, y'all, that's gonna go ahead and end today's video. We installed the side markers and we did a little paint correction with the paint marker. The car came out good. I loved how the lights came out, even though it was a little difficult to put in because, eBay parts, just the name of the game. But yeah, the car came out better than I thought it would, and yeah, so I'm gonna actually head into the shower right now because I got work tomorrow in the morning and I just don't want to wake up early and take this shower in the morning. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. Comment down below any other mods you want to see me do to the Civic. And yeah, until the next video, guys, see you then, and peace.